highway to get up and in there.
So we got our queen bee in today. As you know, she started to swarm. We just did like a quick lunchtime inspection, and we saw that the bees started to swarm. It's really advantageous that we're here at this moment. We're so excited. And so then we can see now Shannon put the nuke box. We used a nuke box, and he put it a little closer, and then you can see the bees are marching in to meet with their queen, and it's super exciting, super beautiful, and I'm super stoked to have some technology to share this with you all. It's really beautiful. I mean, not so convenient right in the middle of the workday. Not ideal, but of course they're on a different time frame than our 9 to 5, right? So, Shannon, you did a great job, baby, getting them in, and we gave them some sugar water and the newbies in there, and then we've got another queen. So that means also we have to set up for hive number 3 now. So that's next. So
we have babies.
We have babies. So instead of 60,000 bees, we've got 90,000 bees, and that's how nature rolls.